Hello everyone, this is Pankaj Mittal from TradeOnData, and today I'm going to talk about moving averages and its uses and how to put moving averages or what can be the settings of moving averages and the mostly used moving averages. Before that, I'm going to show you my YouTube channel. This is where I post my research daily, and you can watch our YouTube videos here. You can subscribe to our channel. Uh, if you want to visit our website, this is our website and this is our contact number. So you can also use this. This is our Instagram profile. You can use this. You can follow our Instagram profile. We post daily research over here, every news and up related things related to upcoming IPOs and everything. And this is our Telegram channel where we are super active and we are posting intraday advisory and everything here on our Telegram channel. So now, before I'm going to start with moving averages, what is moving averages? What do you understand by moving averages? Like, suppose you have to analyze the data, like average data, or you have to find out the mean of the data. What what you do? Like, I think everybody must have studied about mean and probabilities, and you must be remember mean, mode, median in your 12th standard. So that's what moving average is based on. Suppose you need to calculate data of 3 day, the average of 3 day, and like first day data is 10, second day data is 20, and third day data is 30, right? So if you want to calculate, the total will be the total will be 60 and divided by 3, that's 20 momentum for every day, right? So this is the average momentum of a day. Suppose if we are talking about data with respect to normal perspective. Now the same thing comes with the price according to the chart. So what is that? In moving averages, let me show you. Suppose we are putting a moving average. Suppose we are putting a moving average over here, and let's explain this to you. Now this is where your moving average is. Just a minute. All right. So this is your moving average. Now inputs are over here. So the length of the moving average, length means it is asking for the number of candles. Either you are in the daily time frame, because moving average is dependent on the time frame. Suppose you are asking for a average of 20 days. So in daily time frame, all you have to do is the length should be modified to 20. Now source. So what should be the source of the closing price? What should be the source of the price? Either you want opening, closing, high or low, right? So let's, mostly the important part of the moving average is it is always taken as a close price. It depends on you that you want to take open price. There is every option available. Like if you want to sort, if you want a source of open, high, low, close, HL2 which HL by high low, high plus low divided by 2, HLC3 means high plus low plus close divided by 3, and everything is available, right? So let's look at over here. So this blue line, this particular blue line is your 20 moving average, right? Now suppose we are going to modify this value to 200. This particular blue lines becomes 200 moving average. So basically the mostly uses moving average lines are 10, 20, 50, 100 and 200. Let me give you some basic example of moving average. There is a crossover, which means whenever a moving average crossing the another. So whenever 200 moving, 50 moving average crossed by 200 moving average, whenever 50 moving average is crossed by 200 moving average, so it's a golden crossover. Suppose this is your 50 moving average and this is your 200 moving average. Suppose these two lines are running like this. Whenever 50 moving average is crossing the 200 moving average, this particular transaction, this particular intersection point is golden crossover. Same thing goes opposite. Whenever this is something like this is a 200 moving average running and a 50 moving average crossing below this particular 200 moving average line, so this is called as death crossover. So this is the general introduction to moving average. Now let's come to the our stocks. I do have some stocks for you for next few days, or you can also carry it for next few weeks. You can add this into your watch list. So the first stock which is looking good to me is West Coast Paper Mills. The first stock which is looking good to me is West Coast Paper Mills. We have a buy above 325 in West Coast Paper Mills. This is our buy entry in WSTCS and the stop loss is going to be 315. The stop loss is going to be 315 and easily expected at least 2%, 3%, 4%, 5% return. Now the next stock which is looking good to me is NB Ventures. NB Ventures is also looking completely fine to me. There is a huge volume coming up right now. And what do we have? We have a buy above 151 and stop loss is going to be 148. We have a buy above 151 and stop loss is going to be 148. This is NB Ventures. This is NB Ventures, right? And then what do we have? CMAC Limited. The next stock which is looking good to me is CMAC Limited. So CMAC Limited, in CMAC Limited, what do we have? We have a buy above 1425. We have a buy at 1425 in CMAC Limited, and the stop loss is going to be 1350. So there is 75 points of risk, but you can easily get up to 5% in the particular stock. Now another stock which is looking good to me is Satin Credit Care, right? We have a buy above 104 in Satin Credit Care, and stop loss is going to be 100. This is my stocks for next few days or coming up for a breakout. And that's it for today. That's my introduction to moving average and few stocks for my watch list. If you like our research, then do follow our YouTube channel and subscribe our YouTube channel. You can log on to our website. All right, guys, that's it for today.